Oh. Are you there?
Huh?
Oh, yeah, no, sorry, I'll just go on and put record on.
Uh, yeah, I'm here
It's
though.
just like, as soon as I put it on, it was just like, you went suddenly quiet. I was like, oh,
No.
I gotta turn the car down. Ringing in the ears. Alright, so you're gonna go in that one? Alright,
Yeah. I'm gonna
I'll,
do a different one this time.
I'll go in this one too. In this one, I've driven it, but I haven't actually really driven it that much.
Do you want to lead this time?
Yeah, alright. Now I'm gonna go stock wheels,
Yeah, that's what I'm using too.
cause I hear a lot that people just make up the truck, and so it works better for the stock wheels. Right, putting it in the
Yeah, I like that you like to, like, the, you, you trail the same way I do.
pardon?
Like the whole low gear.
Yeah.
Going fast is alright, but sometimes like trails like this,
As
maps like these, I'd rather just kinda, just take it easy.
yeah, that's it. I was nice and slow and steady. That's why I like it. Bloody with pussy. That's what I keep calling him. Oh, you all good? You start.
Yeah, fine.
I think they need to work on the cameras a bit more. It's really hard to focus on someone. So you're stuck?
No, I'm not. I was turning down the game volume so I could hear you a little better.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, you know what? What, is my voice pretty quiet?
I think it's just my headset.
Oh, okay.
I'm using like a cheap pair of Logitech headphones and mic, so.
Yeah, no, because I've done a little bit of adjusting around. Ever since I downloaded Windows 10, it knocked around with a lot of my sound programs. And
Oh yeah.
right now, the speakers on my lappy, they, for some reason, when I go to put the earphones in, sound is still coming out of the speakers, so like the voice is coming out of the speakers. At one stage, it literally just, oh, that's right, till the other day, I couldn't even make any
Okay.
sound out of out of my speakers, and it was just set onto, what do you call it, the surround sound speakers, because I had my computer system, and for some reason it just locked it to that after I downloaded to Windows 10.
Wow. Yeah, I actually using Windows 7.
Yeah, yeah, well, that's what I
I
was.
don't like 8 or whatever those other ones are.
I was on 8.1, and that was going sweet for me. But as Windows 10 kept bloody putting pop-ups in front of me, I'm going, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it. Right, and I think it was a regret. Yeah, I was with been doing it with this map for.
Where'd you go?
I'm up here. I didn't realise that you were way back there. I just dazed off.
Holy shit. I'm walking around, I was like, what the fuck is he? I thought you
Oh,
went for
it's
for
like,
the cloak, so I'm sitting there waiting around the corner, and I actually look around the corner, and you're not there. I was like, where are you?
I was going pretty slow too. I was like, what? Oh.
Yeah, I think it's because I got stuck back there a couple times, so I kind of got
Just,
behind. But
yeah,
I
just that.
figured you were going to go for the cloaking, so I was like, you know what? I'll just let him go get the cloaking. By the time he gets the cloaking, I'll be caught up. But I guess I was wrong.
Yeah, well, I sort of just went right past it. I don't really give a rat's about cloaking sometimes because when you're in multiplayer, it just goes away after you exit, so you might as well just memorize all your tracks.
Yeah. That sucked last night though. You fell off that bridge though.
Yeah, bloody, I've done this map a few times with Pussy, and all he can do is keep going fast, and I was like, no, you just go slow, and by the time I get stuffed up or something, they're like on the other side of the
Yeah.
map.
Right. Exactly. Like he's fun to like play around with if you're just messing around and stuff, and he's
Yeah,
not
yeah,
fun
if you
when it
just,
comes to like trailing like what we're doing right now.
yeah, you gotta really
You gotta.
nose down and concentrate what you're doing. And honestly,
Yeah.
that bridge yesterday, that's not the first time that's happened to me. I've only gone across it coming the other way, and
Yeah.
yeah, I kept sliding off. No matter how hard I tried to angle it right, just kept getting bloody stuffed by it.
That's actually my first. Sorry.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's actually my first time getting that far on this map. I usually like the the video of this map. The three videos that I have on my channel of this map.
Yeah,
I didn't make it that far. The last video is as far as I made it for the first time. That video was actually the first time I ever went on this map.
yeah.
Was that video was the first time I've explored it.
Well, that's probably the first time I've really um, cruised on this map, and yeah, literally that was awesome yesterday. Next minute, bloody Pussy comes in. Are you like going really, really slow?
What?
Are you going really, really slow, like on purpose?
No, I'm in low, like the highest of the low.
Oh, I'm in low as well.
I
I've,
I
I've,
think it's just the Jeep, the gears and everything. How you know
yeah,
this is this Jeep's more, I think, more or less of a crawler than it is for anything else. So
yeah, true, true. One thing I do not like is that you can't, you can sorta, but you can't start off in high range. And well, when you get into a full drive in real life, you just flog off in high range whenever you want.
yeah, yeah. I wish you could just slam into high range to do so you could actually power over some of the stuff.
Yeah, without actually having to stall on you or something. It was funny, I only found out the other day this game had cruise control.
Oh, 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 oh.
Whoa.
I always do that on that spot. I did that last night too when we were in the other vehicle. Remember that?
Yeah.
Every time I played this map, the 4 times I played this map, I come across that spot that I was in, and I always try. I always ended up doing that, but never tipped over.
Yeah. I haven't found much trouble with this car. This is actually just crawling over it all.
Are you recording right now?
I am. I don't know.
Me too.
Will the voices go up?
Huh?
Will the voices go up? Like us chatting now? Or do I have to...
Oh yeah, yeah, it should. If not, my video's screwed.
Your video's
It's
screwed.
gonna be one quiet ass video to watch. Can't read nothing, don't know what's going on.
Yeah, well,
Right now I'm on roof cam.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm definitely not going into roof cam on this. That's just horrible.
Oh, that's gonna suck in the mountain area. I'm so happy that it's running so smooth right now, though.
Yeah, well, you're looking alright.
Like even recording, it's like like last night when I was recording, how I was telling you it was like lagging really bad, then it kind of lagged a little and stuff. Yeah, this one's not even lagging at all.
Yeah, yeah. I think it might be sometimes particular truck you've loaded up too.
Yeah.
Because like, ooh, I'm gonna go that way. When you watch some of the video clips that Tomcat and Sid and all them have done, they're
Where are you going?
I've got no idea. It's just
Do a
like,
whole 180 and look behind you.
oh righto. Right. Should I attempt it going backwards?
Go for it. I'm here if you need winched anyways.
Yeah, as I was saying, Tomcat and Sid and all them, they always say that some of the mods will glitch, and then you watch some of their clips and they're going, righto, it's about to lag right here, and then the whole game sort of freezes.
Yeah.
And especially if there's all these new modders out there now that apparently are making mods, which is bloody stupid, bloody shit. There's a new truck here.
Oh, did
And,
yeah? Did you see that new semi? That what was it called?
It's like a
Spritzer or something like that.
Yeah. I've tried to download it. It won't download.
It won't. I didn't even check my mods to see if it downloaded. I have it on my mods folder, but not on this. I didn't download it. I downloaded it off. Crap, I forgot what site I downloaded it. Off of Spintiresmods.com.
Yeah.
And then I saw it on here today, so I downloaded it off the Steam Workshop. But I haven't checked to see if it was in my folder or not, though.
Yeah, well, that's the funny thing too. I downloaded it the other day because I really wanted it, and next thing you know, it's up on the game, and I was like, oh hell yeah, and go to download it, and well, past this point, I don't know if it's even downloaded. No, where are we going?
Huh.
Oh shit, you're way back there. This low range too quick.
I guess I picked the wrong vehicle.
I think this low range too quick.
I should have picked the. I was gonna go for the other one. What was it? Oh, the one that we were in yesterday.
Oh yeah,
I was like, you know what? I want a Jeep. I want to use the Jeep.
The Scout. The roof.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
I love that Scout though. That open top one is amazing.
Oh yeah, that's another one. I will use any of Sid's mods any day because I know that he puts his time into it, and
yeah, so does Brute. He needs to get his mods going up and going on in the workshop as well.
Brute. Well, Tomcat, he's just pure annoying. No, he's not annoying, he gets over excited sometimes, I think.
Yeah.
To me.
It's a good thing, but
yeah.
yeah.
It's like, he'll be saying something, it's like, oh, I've I've got to be careful around this area, I don't want to roll, and he's saying, yes, yes, I'm making it through, and then next thing you know, he rolls or something.
Yeah. Like some of the maps he's done, and he said these some extreme spots or whatever. I'll go try them out. I'm like, it's not that bad.
Yeah, that's it. I was just like, oh, really? No, all I can say is
But
that. Yeah,
I
you what?
love his enthusiasm though.
Yeah, yeah, that's it. Now, all I can say is I'm just glad that they've got all these four-wheel drives up now, because wasn't really much of a logging fan. Oh, I'll do it, but it's just they should put some more things to the game. So like a trial run
Yeah.
or a time run or something like that.
Or like hill climbs.
Yeah, yeah, that's it.
Like set like hill climb
Timing.
kind of contest or something.
Yeah, that's it. Because I downloaded the drag strip off what do you call it, Ovi. It was not worth the download. They put those big massive logs in the ground for the strip to make it like a half piece, and I went and tapped it to sort of climb over it, and it just went skyrocketing into the air and just floated in the air. I was like, what?
How are you on fuel? Was that thing completely filled?
My fuel is 167 out of 380. Do we need to go to a fuel
Oh really?
station?
Mine's 167 out of 180.
Oh,
Doesn't hold much fuel.
Alright, well, fuel station's quite distance away. Will he
I'm
make
only
it?
using 1 liter a minute though.
Hang on. Damn, no, I had to get fuel. I'll put the add-ons on. Oh, where the hell did the road go?
You almost fell down there, didn't you? And going on the other side now. And you're in low gear?
Yeah, I'm in low.
That's a fast low.
Yeah, low, flat out.
Wow. Maybe I wonder how it is in the high gear. I think I'll be able to catch up now. My high gear is your low gear.
I'll put it into low and I'll tap my controller as lightly as I can.
Oh. Dude, this part would be so much fun in a real car.
Oh, yeah, totally.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright, random as pole just there.
Go to your left. The trail's over there.
Oh, really?
Or is there another trail over there?
just looking on the map now, and there's one to the, we can go up ahead a little bit to the left or right. By the looks of it, and then
Oh,
take
okay, I
that
see it
left
now.
to,
Alright. Whoa.
How well does that one flex?
Come on, CP, you can do it.
I've actually never really used that truck that you're in, because whenever I've tried to
Oh,
drive
really?
it, it always crashed for me. Alright, I'm just gonna check this map again. Yep, up ahead. I'm just gonna do one thing, stop recording for 1 sec.